Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day today. As you read by the title, when you know these boxes come in, made in LA, that is Colourpop, back hard at work. If you do Colourpop like I do, you know that they release 2 or 3 items a week, every week, non-stop, whether we ask for it or not. But with this collaboration, as soon as I seen it revealed, I knew that it was something I needed. It is the Raw Beauty Christie and Colourpop at Forest Sight palette. Now, Raw Beauty Christie has had an amazing 2020. I am going to put a couple of pictures in. I did want to release this on December 5th. That was supposed to be her due date. As you can tell, he has made it into the world. I am so happy for you and Zach. I know that she had a long, rough labor, so I hope she's resting and doing great. Being a mother is one of the most special things that you can do in your whole life. It's like no other feeling in the world. But let's go ahead and go over this palette. This is the eye look that I did with it today. I do think it came out rather cool. I will say the colors in the pan don't distribute the same on your eyes. In the try-on portion, I didn't have my ring light on, so of course it's totally dark. So I don't know if you were able to see all of it, but that is the look that I came up with. And I think it came out just beautiful. I will say the part you won't see is me using the Let It Rain as a faux wing that I did all the way across. So other than that, this was a $20 palette. It was released on November 12th. The collection of this was $82. You got a palette, 2 glosses, 3 liners, and 4 Super Shock shadows. Now, I just got the palette, but I'm glad that I got something out of it. I do want to swatch these colors for y'all, just so that you can see the colors. So I will go straight across from top to bottom. I do love the colors that she put in here. I do live in Arkansas, so a lot of these colors are here in my area also. I think it's just a breathtaking choice of colors that she did. I will swatch the shimmers last. Oh, let me say. This is Puffball. This is Chantilly. Rainier and Old Growth. This is Homegrown. And Amanta, which is the only one that is not eye safe. That is what I have on the corner of my eyes today. Play at your own risk. I will be using this palette more. The colors in here are really, really nice. This is Fiddlehead, Emerald City, P&W, and Let It Rain. So there are the matte colors in this palette. Very, very beautiful colors. And they do stay. I did get it on my shirt. Let's get that off. I love the color white, but I cannot keep it white no matter what I do. Especially with my big dogs. They just ain't having it. So let me wipe this off and I will show you the shimmers. Comment down below and let me know if you got this palette or the collection and what you think about it. So this is Evergreen and West Coast. Those are the two shimmers. Let me turn this down some. All right. I do like the colors in here. They do blend well together. They are a little bit powdery, but that is to be expected with Colourpop. Their quality is great, but they do have, it's some powdery formula. There is going to be kick up in your pan. But for what you get, I can live with the little bit of kick up. So, I do recommend buying this. I do know that it comes back in stock on December 11th. And if you didn't pick it up then, you will have another chance too. So, Raw Beauty, Christy, Colourpop, y'all did an amazing job. Again, I can't say enough of congratulations on the baby. Congratulations on finally getting your deal with Color Mom. It warms my heart. And the look I made was just beautiful. So, do comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you got the palette. What you think about it. What you think about in general with Colourpop. Are you a Colourpop user? Do you not like Colourpop? Have you never tried it? Comment down below and let me know. Let's talk down there. And that is my review try-on. There will be a try-on portion coming up. Alright, so what do we want to do? I think I'm going to take this yellow mustard color called Chanterelle. We are going to start with that. I do have my eyes primed with my P. Louise base in Rumour 2. So it does have pigment. I don't know how well y'all can see that on camera, but in real life it does have pigment. So there's that so far. And then I think I'm going to take this Minette, this purplish color. It is the only one with the asterisk sign, which is not eye safe. And I do know that, let's pile up that yellow a little bit more. I do know with the color wheel, yellow and purple, you really shouldn't do together. But I'm going to have faith in myself. So that yellow-orange mustard color does have a rather large orange undertone. but it's still a pretty color. Alright. So now I'm going to take that purple color. There is kick up in the pan, but that happens with Colourpop. Hope I'm not blocking my face. Take a smaller blending brush. Okay. And then on the bottom lash line, I'm going to do some of this old growth at the beginning of my lash line, under lash line. And then I'm going to take Fiddlehead underneath the rest of it. I'm going to go back into that old growth and just blend it across with Fiddlehead. Alright, then let's pick a shimmer. This is Evergreen, and this one is West Coast. That is what the shimmers look like. I think I'm going to use the Evergreen. Let's find a brush for it. No. That one gets chunky. Very, very chunky. Very, very chunky. Okay, but here is that look. So I'm going to pause right here, do the other eye, finish the rest of my eye look, and then you will see the full results. Guys, that was the video. Let me know what you think about it. If you would, please do subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out. If you're watching the video, at least give me a like. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, love you. Bye.